everybody, so let's continue with these helpful tips, and I'm going to elaborate on a little bit of what I've talked about in my last video, and that is the counteracting tones. So I want you to really understand that counteracting does not mean that you gave that client a cool tone. All right, that just means you counteracted those underlying pigments and those predominant tones that you needed to achieve a neutral color. But when you actually want to experience that pushing them into a cool tone that client is desiring, you still have to add a little bit more to that formula. This could be in the forms of like the blue concentrate, the gray concentrate. Some people use the light blue concentrate in certain formulas. So for example, if that client is, gray and white and you're trying to achieve a level 8, you're dropping down a half a level for that specific client's gray hair, because we know all gray and white hair is different. But for this client, we're dropping down that half a level. So we're using 7NN, which contains a smidget, a little bit of orange. Maybe you're adding a little bit of 8CA to add that color wheel back into that white hair, that full spectrum. And then you're adding maybe 7AH to counteract that orange. But you also need a little bit of silver concentrate because you are going to have a little bit of yellow undertones going from white, adding in that 8CA and going to that level 7. But you counteracted those tones at this point. You did not give them that cool tone. So in this situation, one of your options could be to add a little bit of that gray concentrate to actually push it from counteracting into that cool tone that client is looking for. So I hope you found this tip a little bit helpful. And if you have any questions, like always, please write below. Have an amazing day ahead. Bye-bye.